This is a JBL Charge 3 Plus. I'm going to replace the battery on this. I'll show you what I did to replace the battery. So I will link in the description the proper battery that you want to buy for this. Now the Charge 3 battery that I bought included these tools. The Amazon link showed a whole bunch of other tools, but these were the only two tools that came in there. I'm going to have to start with over here where the screen joins up. I'm going to use the pry tool to get in there to try and pull that out. So, and then slowly unravel the mesh is what I believe I have to do. Try going out the other way, not the front, the back. Oh, see, it looks like there might be glue in here. Is there glue in here? Just here, glue. I'm gonna go up like this because I think there's glue, like a glued tape in here. So I'm gonna go around here, try and separate that. There we go. That came loose. There we go. Oh, look at that. Okay. That's one big solid piece here. That's good. Roll that away. Okay, so now on the other one, the battery was at the bottom. Was this? So I'm gonna think this is it here. So I'm gonna try and take these screws off here. Okay, so now can I take this off? What do you know? That's where the battery is. So in the same spot, and it already looks here like this one's puffed up as well. Here. Are they? No, they're all the same size. Good. Okay. Okay. So be careful not to break that rubber gasket. There. Okay. And now the battery pack should just pick. Okay, so the battery pack, oh, I see. So the cable goes in there. So it looks like I'm going to have to open up this side here to get this battery out. So I'll take this screw out, and then I guess this pops off here. And when I look at this, there are little channels here. So I think this twists. I think this tab here, no, that looks good. I think this twists. Oh, look at that, it does. And then, oh, couldn't have been easier. Okay, so now, here is my battery cable. Nice, look at that. So the battery just slides in like this. There you go, and then you plug it into the socket there. Make sure to seat it all the way. I'm going to use the end of my plunger to make sure I get it in all the way. There you go. And I'm going to try it out. Okay, so the battery works. It's got 3 bars. So that's good. Close it up, turn it off. Perfect. Okay. So now I am going to put this cover back on. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to put this cover on here. See which one had the screw on it. Was it up here? Was it like this? JBL. Oh, JBL's got to be upright. Okay, so that's upside down. That was like this. Now JBL's. There you go. JBL's upright. JBL's upright. That's there. Okay, so now that's the screw hole. Should be able to get a screw in there. There. Okay. Now this cover here. There. Put the clip in first and then pull down to line up your screw holes. There we go. Okay, there we go. So now we can put this back on. So getting this to seat in properly might be challenging because of how hard it was to get off. Didn't loosen the speakers. Okay, So there is, so it looks like this clip goes underneath there. Okay. It's actually not that bad. And then just push this. Huh, look at that. Not so bad at all. Done. Now that's how you change the battery pack in a JBL Charge 3. I hope this video helped you. Take care. Bye-bye.